The kids vote at 16 years. That's the big news from Summit 2020. Just what we need. Let those kids that can vote on Big Brother vote for the politicians. Actually, it wouldn't be that bad. It'd make it a lot more interesting. Could you just imagine our politicians trying to connect with the youth? Putting their baseball caps on backwards, wearing their bling, or got their latest M&M CDs. Maybe some of them might even go a bit goth. I mean, can you just imagine Ruddy going goth, dyeing his hair black, couple of nose studs, ear bars? It'd be sensational. Peter Garrett, he's already there. He's just got to get his head tattooed. It'd be something new to look at. Look, politics isn't that bad, but 16-year-old kids voting, I don't care. If I could have voted at 16, I wouldn't have minded voting. Give them the option. It's up to the adults to give them the option. Whether we do or don't is neither here or there, because it's not going to happen. I can guarantee you that much. They won't let 16-year-olds vote because of those little things like what becomes the age of consent. Can they now get a drink at 18? They can get a drink at 16 because they're allowed to vote at 16. Well, there goes binge drinking battles right down the tubes. Hello out there in La La Land. I know we're talking about 16-year-olds voting. What do you think of 16-year-olds voting? You think we should sell the children to other countries as an export? There you are. Get rid of the kids. What we need is more old people, which is lucky because we all get older as time goes by.